Hey, what up, traders? Patrick Perfect here. Welcome to yet another episode of our weekly forex market outlook. I come on here every weekend to do my outlook for the week in view. Alright, so if you're joining us for the first time, welcome you to my YouTube channel, Patrick Perfect Presents. If you've seen this video on TikTok, welcome to my TikTok page, Patrick Perfect Presents. Now, join me as I take you through my charts, showing you guys my outlook for this week in view and levels I'm looking out for, what are the chart patterns I'm looking out for, and possible trade setups I will be taking. Alright, now talking about trade setups, I have a Telegram channel where after I come on here to do my outlook and show you my analysis, I go on to my Telegram channel to show you real time what I am trading. Okay, so if you've seen this video, do also join my Telegram channel, Trade with Perfect. The link is in the description of this video below. Alright, if you've seen this on TikTok, click the link on my bio, the YouTube link. It will take you to YouTube and you can join the Telegram channel from there. Alright, I go ahead to post my daily trade setups right there, and guys, you can go check out our previous weekend, what we do right there. We just try our best to be consistent in what we do. Alright, so thank you guys for joining us for this week outlook. Please do all to give this video a like, do all to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It means a lot to me, and do all to join my Telegram channel and give me a follow on TikTok. Thank you so much guys for the support. We just hit 200 subscribers on YouTube, and guys, I'm feeling thankful to all of you that have been supporting. So without much further ado, let's jump into our charts. Now, I'll be starting my outlook with Xauusd. It is the chemical symbol for gold, as most of you know it. Okay, I like to call it Xauusd. So I'll be very fast on this one because there's no much to say. Our previous outlook is still playing out, so we just build on that. Alright, so now this is Xauusd. This is my weekly time frame, and spotting from my weekly time frame, guys, this is the week ended bullish, although we experienced some sell momentum to the downside, but eventually we turned down here and we pulled up. I think that was due to was it CPI or PPI this week? I don't know. Maybe FOMC. I don't trade news, so I do not keep in touch with news events. Alright, but nevertheless, we got this bullish candle. This previous week closed bullish, and it signals something like very profound to me when I go down to my lower time frame, and that I'll be showing you guys. Alright, now looking from our weekly time frame, guys, you can see this chart is messy. For some months now, guys, we've been in this range. Alright, but before we got into this range, we know Xauusd have been bullish. Alright, but with how these candles are playing out, guys, this, like, gold is not committing to a direction yet, but nevertheless we try to see how we can trade the market regardless. Alright, now on my weekly time frame, we have this candlestick patterns. We got this bearish candle. We anticipated for this market to drop further down. It did drop a few days, and then we saw this massive reversal back to the upside, and guys, it's telling us we may most likely continue buying this market this week. Alright, although we may see some pullback to the downside, but with this week closing bullish like this, guys, I will tell you for free that we are still looking at buying gold this week, and I'll show you that as I go down to my lower time frame. Now on my daily time frame, guys, you are going to see something right here. Now this is the push to the downside. So we had this push to the downside. We anticipated this market to pull back pull back to this level right here and continue dropping. Although we pulled back there, we dropped, but we did not like actually drop to. This is 100% retracement for this downtrend. Okay, that started from here. All right, that started from here. We have this impulse move, we have this pullback, and expected for this market to drop down further, but that didn't happen. So we have this bullish engulfing that broke structure inside there. So guys, now this is signaling a bullish reversal for us. All right, so moving on this week, I will be buying gold for the most part. Okay, but if the market gets to like invalidate my buy setup and it shows further signs of downtrend, then I'll be revisiting my chart and I'll be updating on the Telegram channel. All right, now looking at these candlestick patterns, guys, we have this bullish engulfing candle, we have this bearish engulfing candle, we have this bullish engulfing that broke structure, and we have this one pulling back. Okay, now this is Monday and we anticipate for this candle to pull back further, and guys, subsequently we may be buying this we may be buying gold in subsequent days. Okay, so now with this chart candlestick pattern we have on my daily time frame still signaling bullish, I'll go down to my 4-hourly time frame to show you more reasons why I'm anticipating for gold to buy further this week. All right, now looking at my 4-hourly time frame, you're going to spot something very profound. All right, for those of you that know your chart pattern, this is a right shoulder, this is a head, this is a left shoulder. All right, so this is an inverse head and shoulder chart pattern that formed here, and an inverse head and shoulder chart pattern is a chart pattern that signifies bullish reversal. All right, when you see this form on your chart, just know like this market wants to start buying, like the bulls are more present in this market. All right, so with this chart pattern that has just formed here, and the market seems to have broken the neckline of this chart part of this inverse head and shoulder. Guys, this gives me a bit of confidence in looking out for more buys on XAUUSD. all right, now for swing traders, you may want to wait for this pullback to come down to this neckline right here to take this trade from your 4-hourly time frame. But I'm not a swing trader, I'm a day trader. Okay, but nevertheless guys, anyhow this market wants to play, we are going to trade it. All right, join the Telegram channel, link in the description below, to see how I trade and setups I take. Okay, I do this like in real time, I drop my setup in real time. All right, if the market is here and I'm taking trade here, I post it. All right, if I hit an SL, I post it. If I hit TP, I post it. So guys, but overall we are consistently profitable. All right, last 2 weeks we had a losing day, but we smashed it this week that just ended, winning massively, and this week we look forward to making more wins. All right, now this is my outlook on XAUUSD. I'm pretty sure you guys caught it. We are looking to take more buys on XAUUSD this week. Now let me go over to EURUSD. EURUSD is a bit similar to XAUUSD, guys. This is my weekly time frame on EURUSD. As you can see, the market structure we can see on the weekly time frame is still a bullish market structure. We've not had any reversal to the downside. Okay, this market is still looking bullish, so therefore would be looking to take more buys on EURUSD. Now that is actually not just my reason for anticipating more buys to the upside. Now some of my reasons for anticipating more buys to the upside are these candlesticks. You know, when I come on my weekly time frame, what I do for the most part is analyze candlestick. I want to see what my candlestick is doing on the weekly time frame. Then I go on to my lower time frame to look at it on a chart basis. Okay, so on my weekly time frame, guys, you can see this rejection, guys. This is a massive one to the upside. This market have pulled down, and guys, we saw this massive rejection to the upside. We can also see similar rejection 2 weeks ago right here, and also here, and also here. So this to tell you that, guys, in some days this market may be bearish, but guys, for the most part we are still bullish. So if you buy in this market, for the most part you most likely take more TPs than SL. Okay, so for me, going with these candlestick patterns, I'm still bullish on EURUSD. Now I'll go down to my daily time frame to show you guys more reasons why I'm still bullish on EURUSD. All right, now this is my daily time frame, and you can see something very profound right here. Let me zoom in a bit. Let me zoom in. Okay, let me zoom out. Sorry. Okay, now we had this push to the upside. This is our most recent high. Like, this is our high. All right, we had this low, we had this is not a higher high, but it is a high, and then we had this break of structure right here. This market structure shift, not actually a break of structure, this market structure shift right here. Guys, this level held, this level that produced this low, that produced this high, actually held this market here, and we pulled to the upside. All right, now with that, we had this mini uptrend that played out right here. We have this, and this is a double top right here. If I go down to my daily to my lower time frame, we have this double top, we pulled back. All right, now you should pay attention to something which I'm going to point out, guys. This low right here produced this high. Okay, we're unable to take out this high. We had this double top right here, and we dropped down. Now dropping down, this low wasn't broken. This market still held, like this level still held, and guys, we saw this bullish engulfing candle that engulfed this bearish candle. Guys, for this low to still hold, that's to tell you that, guys, we still have more room to the upside. Okay, and for this candle to engulf this bearish candle, guys, it's still signaling some bullish presence. Okay, so for me, I'm still bullish on EURUSD, although we might see some pullback today, Monday, and maybe Tuesday. But guys, I look forward to buying EURUSD more this week, and I'll be sharing my setups in the trading channel, Trade with Perfect. All right, whatsoever trade I'll be taking, whether a buy or a sell trade, I'll be dropping it, I'll be documenting it on the Telegram channel, Trade with Perfect. All right, so going with this bullish engulfing candle, guy, this is a market structure shift in here. If I should go down to my lower time frame, guys, if you understand if you understand how to read candlesticks and spot when market structure shifts happen on your candlesticks, guys, it's going to help you like in trading this market, man. It's going to really help you. All right, so guys, what are the setup you would be looking at to take a EURUSD buy? Guys, simply wait for this market to pull back further, and guys, you might take a buy. Like, we do have a counter trend line here that got broken, so you might wait for this market to trade back to this trend line, and you take your buys, or you wait for it to come to this supply zone right here and this demand zone, pardon, and then you take your buys. Okay, so this is it for EURUSD. Anticipating more buys on this bad guy. Now, last but not the least, I have EURJPY right here. Now, EURJPY is one of my favorite guys. We've been smashing it on EURJPY for the longest, and guys, there's not much to say on EURJPY. Our previous analysis is still in play. I've been calling EURJPY to at least come take out this, come to this level, and then before we come take out this high right here. And we've noticed some sort of pullback, but this pullback have not been holding. Like, the bulls are still in control, although we've not experienced that much of the momentum that it's going to like push this market to the upside. But guys, with what we can see on our chart right here, guys, we are still looking bullish, and so therefore we look forward to taking more buys on EURJPY. All right, now it is very similar scenario with what we've seen on gold and on EU. All right, so I'll go down to my daily time frame and I give you guys some rule of engagement to how I'll be trading this guy and what you too should look out for when trading EURJPY. All right, now there's this level I want you guys to pay attention to, this level right here. Okay, so we experienced this market structure shift right here. We had this pullback and now this market is looking bullish. So guys, we expect this market to come to this level. Okay, if you're watching this video, maybe the market might have come to this level at the time you're watching this video, or maybe not, but we expect this market to come to this level. If the market eventually breaks this level, then they are coming to this level that I anticipated. We are coming to this high, we are coming to this high. Okay, now rule of thumb, we anticipate for this market to take out this level. This is like a neckline. Okay, this looks like a double bottom. Right, but if I should go down to my lower time frame, it looks like an inverse head and shoulder. Okay, but I'll refer to it as a double bottom in this case. Okay, and this is our neckline. Okay, if this market should take out this neckline, then let's anticipate the market to come to 173.5584. okay, or higher. All right, so EURJPY is pulling up. Let's anticipate further pull to the upside, as you can see right here on my 4-hourly time frame. We need to take out this neckline to continue pulling further. So that is that for EURJPY. Thank you guys so much for sticking to the end of this video. My name is Patrick Perfect. I hope this video helped you to trade the market profitably this week. If you just joining us and you don't know how to trade this market, do want to join our Telegram channel. I'm looking forward to creating more valuable content, guys, that's going to help traders become better. I am seriously working on it, and guys, don't worry, a lot of bangers are coming that are going to improve your trading in the nearest future. Thank you guys for always supporting. My name is Patrick Perfect. Do want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a like, and follow for more. See you next week.